Welcome to our channel, where we unravel the exciting possibilities of affiliate marketing on Pinterest in 2023. A Pinterest logo emerges and shimmers on screen, followed by vibrant images of pins, products, and dollar signs, symbolizing the money-making potential. Get ready to embark on a thrilling journey where creativity meets profitability. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. One, drive traffic to your e-commerce site. Consistently creating and posting pins of your products is a great way to increase website traffic. Whether you link the pin directly to your homepage or product is up to you. Businesses that are active on Pinterest are sure to drive the right traffic. As noted, if you have a Shopify site, you can use a Pinterest app to showcase your products by uploading your catalog. You can also use the same app to create ads, but more on that later. To begin the process, start by creating a Pinterest business account. Doing so will give you access to Pinterest analytics and ads. After you create an account, you can link your Pinterest pins to your e-commerce site and include your logo. Add pin buttons on your e-commerce platform on the product images. In turn, customers who click on your product pages can also share the items with their friends on Pinterest. On each product page, write a call to action worded something like this: see something you like, not yet ready to buy. If so, just click the pin button and save it on Pinterest. 2. Advertising on Pinterest. You can also advertise your products or services on Pinterest to increase revenue for your business. Sign up for a Pinterest business account, as described above, and begin advertising almost immediately. Because people use Pinterest to get ideas on what to buy, where to travel, or to learn more about specific activities, advertising on the platform can bode well for you. Not only do ads emphasize your brand, but they also allow you to reach out to a wider audience. Online marketing might be a more costly route at first, but the results are by far more measurable and widespread. Video ads offer an excellent way to tell your brand's story and drive consumer activity, such as newsletter sign-ups, checkouts, and leads. Whereas a promoted pin on Pinterest targets demographics, devices, or a location to reach the people who have shown an interest in your product or service. The pins operate on a cost-per-click (CPC) basis. Carousel ads provide several images for pinners to swipe through, thereby engaging them in what you have to sell. You can showcase as many as 5 products with a carousel ad. 3. Affiliate marketing. You do not have to have a blog or website to add affiliate marketing links on Pinterest. Whether you do or not, you can see cash roll into your bank account by using this method. You can add affiliate links to Pinterest boards that relate to the product. However, Pinterest considers it spamming if you add a link to a board that has nothing to do with the board's theme. For example, you cannot add an affiliate link for handbags on a financial board. However, if the board covers fashion accessories, including handbags, you can include the link. To use affiliate marketing to the best advantage, begin by creating at least 20 boards associated with your Pinterest business and the products you want to promote. Fill in each board with a description of what the board features. Use relevant keywords in the descriptions, but don't overstuff. Fill the boards with your pins as well as pins from other pinners relative to your board's niche. Always include other pins, as solely highlighting your own pins will be regarded as spam. You'll also want to join group boards that relate to your affiliate products and specific niches. To join the boards, contact the board owner to request an invite. You can find out more about getting an invitation in a board's description. When you're posting affiliate links on Pinterest, follow the rules for the promotion. If you receive compensation for a product or service, you must disclose that a link represents an affiliate product. You can make this simple by adding the word affiliate at the end of a pin's description. 4. Create a blog. Perhaps the most prominent way to make money on Pinterest is to create a blog. Many users do so to bring traffic to their blog. You can always get a good response by creating a blog and linking back to it through Pinterest. Make sure your linked blog post relates well with the board where you display it. Creating a blog is inexpensive and can be done so quicker than you think. In fact, establishing a blog represents one of the best ways to keep your costs low while developing a business online. Also, something to keep in mind: consider using a scheduling tool to schedule your blog pins at the best times. Using a scheduling tool allows you to schedule blog pins when your Pinterest followers tend to be more active. 5. Automate your posts. Maintaining your Pinterest manually can be tiresome and exhausting. Generally, most beginners lose hope because maintaining their account seems too much work and results don't show up immediately. So instead of fretting hard and managing everything manually, you can schedule and automate your pins in advance with tools like Tailwind. With the help of these tools, your Pinterest will stay updated without constant manual monitoring. You can take out one day a week to create your posts and schedule them over the week with the automation tool of your choice. 6. Promote the pins. Pinterest advertisement is among the underutilized areas to explore. If you have pins that are already getting a good number of clicks and impressions, you can take them up a notch via paid promotion. You can make your successful pins visible to a larger audience by simply spending some dollars. Ads on Pinterest deliver remarkable results. As Pinterest says, an average ad reaps 2 times better results here than on other social media platforms. And you can get 2.3 times better cost per conversion results on the platform. So while going organic is surely a great strategy for Pinterest, promoting pins is also something you shouldn't neglect. 7. Disclose affiliate links on Pinterest. As per the guidelines given by the Federal Trade Commission, you must disclose that you are an affiliate whenever you promote an affiliate product. This rule is for consumer protection, and you shouldn't take it lightly. FTC might fine you if you avoid it. If a consumer knows you are getting paid to promote a product, they will scrutinize your review or guide in extensive detail. The point of disclosure is to ensure that consumers can conduct their research and make informed decisions instead of being muzzled by others. There are several ways to disclose affiliate links on Pinterest. You can add a hashtag such as #affiliatelink or #sponsored to disclose the links. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.